just give me a response if you can. Good evening, everybody. It's been a great week after what we have seen so far on Thursday night when the news, actually Wednesday night, when the news of the QE tapering being postponed as the US has not been able to do it. So again, good evening. Welcome to the closing bell for week ending 20th of September 2013. You could see that everything is very green yesterday, and as such that we are seeing a bit of partial profit taking. No doubt, market is still up 11 points. And looking back at my notes last week, 13th of September, I did say that market scooped up a bit too fast and did hit the resistance at 1775. It has to pause sideways before going. All right, Mr. E, I'll probably send you an email, okay, regarding about our meeting. And I did say if you go back to last week, the FKLI here, you could see this is, what we want to see is some sort of a test in here. The news came out, and since then the market scooped up by 20 points and gone even higher. The big announcement about the tapering as now is already been out. There were no QE tapering. I will update you on the goal. And also our Malaysian ringgit was up almost 2.5%, which is in line with the regional market. So that's a good, very positive thing for our market with this QE tapering. So it looks like what I've said before, the party continues. Okay, as much as we want to, this will be a very bullish catalyst to the entire market going forward. Now, going back to my notes last week. Last week, FKLAI was at the 1767. Today is 1804. So we are almost up 40 points. And I think we've been up almost 2% for that one, which is very good. We are moving in the positive territory. Now, all this was also due to the possible QE tapering that we have seen. That is possible of outflow. And on the foreign fund flow, which I will show you, you would see that somehow these foreign funds did know about the QE tapering. They were already buying ahead. Okay, so you can see market is up here. Let me just show you the foreign funds flow in here, which I do find very interesting. As early as on the 9th of September. Now remember, the QE tapering was on 18th of September. Was early as on 9th of September. They will already start buying in here. And finally on the 19th of September, and remember 30th December, there was a public holiday because of the Malaysia Day, so there wasn't any foreign fund. But you know that on the 9th of September, these people were slowly buying. So at the end of the day, what we said today on the Friday chart clinic, smart money always know ahead. They tend to buy in, and the key thing is follow these people. They tend to be the mover of the market. So we have seen it now. It's evident now. Everybody want to try in and buy, but the price is already moving up ahead. So the key thing is have some sort of a VSA to really assist you in this. So partly of this premium membership should able to point you at the right direction. All right. So this is what we are talking about in here for the foreign funds. Now looking at it, we have seen the 5-day rolling average, which has crossed over to the positive. Remember in the some of the morning opening posting, I did talk about the market, which is the red line here, hooking up. So that's a good sign, hooking up. We have crossed to the positive territory, as well as the daily buying by the foreign funds has turned positive too. So that's good. Also, we have the green charts in here for the volume spread analysis chart, also indicating lots of sign of strength. That's what market is moving higher. So learn to use the VSA. Now remember, we are doing our main course on November 9 and 11, and we still have seats yet. The past graduates, we really encourage you to come back and resit and get a fresher approach on the whole market in there. Now remember, also the foundation course is coming up this month end, 30th of September. As well on 1st October, the first 2 days, where we'll be doing a lot more of the basic about the stock market, and also you'll be giving a filter. Okay, we still have seats for that one. Okay, we're done with the foreign funds flows. Let's look at the overall market in here. Let me just show you here. This is still up. Now I just want to talk about the FBM 70, which is the smaller cap or mid cap. It has broken to above back to the 14,000 level here. This is the part where they will talk sometime towards mid of mid of August, where the outflows and QE tapering came in. Somehow the market did price it in altogether. But as we said today, Bill really said it true. It's all a con game, just to make sure they really buy at the low, and everybody in this anticipated that there will be somewhat of QE tapering, but it did not occur. So as such, the market has moved higher in line with things to come. Okay, now on the Singapore market, again, very similarly, they did jump. Let me just refresh this, but it is hitting the resistance now. This is what I was talking about, the downtrend channel pretty much in here, broke through it, right? As soon as it, and then the QE came in, the QE tapering did QE in, broke out. So what does it mean? It means the market has to find some sort of stability now to do base building. Now let me switch this to a weekly chart. It's very interesting. You could see, wow, look at that, right? What do you see? It's actually see, this market looks like it looks like it's formed a double bottom. Okay, it formed a double bottom here. That's a nice one here. So the market has to congest, and once one more test in here, it's going to resume back up again. That's what we think is likely to do. So this is on a weekly basis. It does point the Straits Times of Singapore will resume higher towards the year end, provided the same conditions are given and the QE tapering does not come any sooner other than next year, because we do have the so-called October, the debt ceiling, mid-October will come into play, whether they will extend it or not.